Hello everyone, welcome back again to tutorial number 3 of our Android Firebase application. So if you are just new to this video guys, be sure to watch my previous video. This is what we have done in the previous video. And before we move to the activity code, be sure to set the info type of its field. So like you need to assign an info type, so I have to set it to text and text email address as to the file. We need to set an info type and I set text password as you can see here. So be sure to assign the respected type so that we have defined in our layout. So now let's go to let me just add one for view. So because we want to have an image, we can upload an image for our profile. Just add another relatively outside. Then we can just okay, I will just add image and it's a rough content for now. So now I'll just go assign ID and I will assign a width and height with ID and right, okay, or set the gravity to start. Okay, this will set image, and I will move this one a little bit at the top. Just go here and set the margin back to 100 dp, I think. Okay, but negative 100 dp. So it will just move a little bit to the top our image, and then I will just set a default image. Okay, I just use this one to set the image. Okay, now I need to assign an ID to the image. So use profile icon. Now once I already done that, let's move to the activity. So just okay, we're gonna go to the activity and start declaring some okay fields or elements. Declare text, username, email, image, shippable image, profile icon. I need also a button, submit btn. Go here. So we have button and we have all this field, including the image, shippable image, plus variables, so username, history equals and value that stored control that we are just returning the elements from our layouts by preparing the ID of those elements. We can get those elements from our layout to the activity. So once we already image view, triple image scroll and the icon. Okay. Submit to the end. Let's go and find the ID. Yeah, VTN submit. Okay. So once you be sure that you have already watched my previous video. If you're in case you're just new viewer from video, guys, be sure to watch my previous videos so that will not get lost around within this. So let's go and check our dependencies. So be sure that you added this two line of codes or statement. We need also to implement the Firebase database because we will get an instance for these two dependencies. Now let's go. I will declare private Firebase database, private database reference, say data ref. I need also Firebase storage. Now let me just initialize the Firebase, but I will just declare constant here, static final string database, and we will put or pass the value for our database or data. Be sure, guys, that you have already watched my previous video before you will watch this video, because you might be lost around if you are not watching the previous tutorial. So okay, let's just load the page. Okay, so and now what we need to do, we just need to copy the link reference URL. This is the URL or the link location of our database, so we need to click. Okay, so now I will initialize the database. That get instance, but with URL. Okay, I will pass the DB constant. I will initialize the reference for the database. Let's get the reference. Okay, we'll use this one, or we can use this one, that child, and I will just put it to user, inner child to it, with his account. I will append the post method here. Then once we already let me just initialize the storage equal to, because we are going to use this one when we want to upload some file like images. So now once we already initializing this variable, what we are going to do now, I will just Okay, I will just use this one. Let us on how we can add an image when we select an image from our devices. So for device, so I will go here, I create a method. Probably I'll just here select image, and we are going to create the method inside, and profile icon dot set config listener to new view listener. Then let me just declare another field here, private static final int. We call this request code equals 1. Okay, private URI, it is a unique resource identifier that we are going to use for our image. Once we already done that, we can get back to select image. Okay, in here we can declare any intent. We can pass content. We can set a type. This one type will be image. We just put, and we can start the activity for result. Then we need to pass the intent, then the our request code. Okay, now let's go, and now make sure say okay, let's try to run this one and let us see what will happen. So this intent will get, okay, so some error here. I'll just create a style, and I will create a value, name it shape style. Sources, we can define a style, shape image style. Then we can define some item. Probably we can give it a name. We'll just define the corner radius here. Radius, corner size 50%. I will define another item with corner radius and say 50 degree. And I will just assign it to the shapeable image, and then we can choose it to make it a circle or around it. Now once we already done that, let's go and let me just try to run it into the device so we can see what is intent when we click the icon. Okay, so Be sure to have patience, guys, because this video might will get a little bit long. So if you're interested to watch video tutorial about Firebase, then you can just stick within this video, guys. So okay, so now I will click the device. So we just check the device. As you can see, it is a little bit round, but when I click, as you can see, this get the image in our Android phone. So this is the intent action get content doing whenever we click the image, and by setting as an image folder, we can screen with the new intent to get the content inside of our phone. So that's the reason why we can access the image of our phone. So now if we click this one, the image is not set an icon because we did not we need to call our file, but we didn't initialize our URI. So image URI, but we did not initialize our URI, so this will not work. But we can override a method on activity result, and here we can check if request code is equal to our request code that we have defined, and we can also check the result code, which is equal to result key. If that is, we can execute a statement or a body stick here. We can write it to execute it. So we can say image URI. We can set our URI or the resource identifier here to data, get data, and we can set it to our profile icon. So profile icon, that's it, image URI, unique resource identifier. So now if you run this one, you should assign an image to our profile icon in the image view. Okay, so let us just wait while it is installing to my phone. Okay, have patience, guys. Have patience. So in the next, guys, we are going to learn how we can add the image information into our disk. So now I will try to go emulator. I will just click and then I will choose an image, for example. So as you can see, it is assigned or set into our image, but we cannot submit it because right didn't write a code to submit this one into the real-time database or to the storage database. Before I will just start the video, I will just want to let you know that in order to edit or to read and write data to our real-time database, we need to change the value of it or this two key value first to also into our storage. So to make changes into our storage appears, so we need to go to the rules tab. Make sure that we set it to clear, otherwise it will not read and write storage and real-time database. So that is for today's in this video, guys. So I hope you follow me in the next video. Be sure to follow me in this because we will be doing some amazing things in the next video. Like we can upload an image into our database, and later on we will just fix that back to our application UI. So guys, thanks for learning something in this video. Please be sure to subscribe if you have comment box, and see